My name is Heidi. I am KAP facilitator. KAP is life force energy and divine consciousness. People from all over the world participate in my online sessions. KAP is divine frequency. It knows no boundaries. A ripple effect of change. It aligns you. It goes through all your layers, creating better relationships with yourself and others, opening new perspectives, opening new doors and new dimensions. Emotional release, inner freedom, clarity, bliss, deep states, and you don't have to do anything. Like waves on a shore, the energy flows through you, and you let go, you surrender, and reconnect with who you really are. This is a wonderful, life-changing process.